Hey, I'm Jay from Ohio Power Tool here with my friend Jesse to look at the new Flex 12-inch miter saw. Jesse, you want to tell us a little about this?
Sure, yeah, thank you, Jay. So this is Flex's latest and greatest launch for the tabletop series, and this is a cordless, 12-inch cordless dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. We'll see some features and benefits on here that the industry hasn't seen before, but I'd say right off the bat, an industry leading 630 cuts on a 3 1/4 MDF.
Not a 2x4, that's a...
Correct, it's a 3 1/4 MDF. That's pretty impressive.
And it comes with the 10 amp stacked lithium kits?
Yep, the 10 amp hour stacked lithium is our biggest stacked lithium battery, and that's what this saw is coming with.
Okay, so as a bare tool, looks like price is $5.99, kit $7.99. Why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the features? Because I see up front here, it looks a little different than the knob that we're used to.
The quick miter saw lock, so it's real simple to grab a hold of that thing and twist. We've got the Fast Shift Bevel lever as well. A lot of times you're gonna be reaching around or you gotta walk around on the back side, but here we got a simple for the bevel. It's just gonna be unlocking that. And then we've also got the Spindle Lock. That's gonna be a feature for
blade changes.
Blade change,
yeah.
Yep, absolutely. So that comes in handy.
With one hand, use your wrench, the other hand, just lock it in and then push it right off. So I see that there is a nice LED light that does the cast of shadow, so you know right where you're cutting. And then power-wise, this thing is beast. I mean, we were cutting just some 2x4s, but man, zips through it.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I mean, if anything in its past, you're going to be zipping through it like butter. So
I've used a lot of the skill saw, corded saws in the past, and man, this feels a lot of, takes a lot of that ingenuity and just kind of refines it into this cordless option. So another thing is with miter saws and table saws, you're running batteries, but sometimes you want to just plug that thing in, and you guys are having a AC/DC adapter. What's the deal on that?
That is correct. Yep, and that's got a lot of people excited. That AC/DC adapter is just going to be clipping right into where the battery's at. You're going to be clipping right into there, and it's going to be adapting and being able to plug into a wall outlet. So that's going to be huge. That's going to be available for our 3 benchtop series on our 2 table saws, our 8 1/4 and our 10-inch table saw, as well as this 12-inch dual bevel miter. So that's going to be pretty awesome. It's going to have a 21-foot cord length on it. There's going to be 12 foot in between the adapter itself, and then another 9 foot on the end of it. And it comes with a wall mount as well, just to help organize the shop.
So 21-foot cord, I mean, you have like basically an extension cord built into the adapters. If you can get close enough to a generator or an outlet, you're good to go. So then also, looks like price point on that is $199, and that will be coming here this month as well. So this is not a compact unit by any means. It's got all the abilities, but 49 pounds is relatively lightweight. I mean, it's definitely meant to carry on and off the job. Folds up nice and easy to maneuver.
Right. I think a lot of it, like you'll see with all the Flex, 24-volt platform, where the pro contractors, you feel and touch this thing and you're like, wow.
So it does look like it comes with the adapter, so that's nice. To hook up to your vac. If you have dust collection, if you're outside, the bag works just as good. But if you're in an environment you want to be dust free, you just collect that. It looks like it does have a nice big dust collector as well. A lot of times it's a little tough to collect it all, but it just seems like it has a good capability.
I mean, the cuts that we did downstairs were probably sitting up to here already in the dust bag, so it was collecting the majority of it. We had very little to clean up. So
for more stats and ordering, check out the link below. And if you have any other questions, give us a call. Happy to answer. Thank you, Jesse, for coming out.
You're welcome, Jay. Thank you, everyone.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.